Today we are going to be making some rice balls, also known as onigiri. Rice balls originated in Japan and still are a really big treat there. You're going to need a packet of tuna, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a packet of nori, which is dried seaweed, and 2 cups of rice. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with cooking the rice. So, you're going to need 2 cups of rice. I'll put it in this bowl, but we're going to move it to this bowl right here. So, you could do this with a rice cooker, but I like doing it the old-fashioned way. Alright, we're gonna move over to the sink, just magically teleport over there. So first, we're going to wash the rice several times. Sorry, I don't have my stand over here, because right now my stand isn't better. But here we go. So what you want to do is just, doesn't matter how much water you got in here. You're just gonna do this, sift through it multiple times. Try not to lose your rice. Alright. After you're done rinsing it 5 times, you're gonna want to fill it with water. Just like this, and then you're going to want to let that sit for 30 minutes. Now we are going to make the tuna filling. So you want to get your packet of tuna and put it in a bowl. Then you're going to want to get some mayo. You're going to want 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Just plop that in there. Then you will want to get some soy sauce and put 2 teaspoons. I want to take the tuna, the mayo, and the soy sauce and just mix it together. Voila. Once those 30 minutes are up, you're gonna take your rice with the water. You're just gonna pour out that water. Alright, we're gonna move over. Now you're gonna wanna put your rice in a pot, and then you're gonna wanna put 2.5 cups of water in there. You're gonna wanna put the lid on, and you wanna turn on to high. We wait, but you just want to wait until you don't really see any more water anymore. Once the rice absorbs all the water. While we let the rice cook, we can get to cutting the nori. So you're gonna cut these into inch-long strips, and then you'll cut those in half. Turn it off, and then you'll set it to the side and let it cool down. Then you're going to take whatever you want to mix it, just so you get it moving around so it can cool down a little better. Alright, so then your rice should be ready, and
oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So first you want to wash your hands. I'm going to do that. Now that you don't have to wash them, you just have to put water on them. You want to take some salt and just put it on your hands. This is so that the rice ball does not stick to your hands. So you're just gonna grab a giant clump, just press right in the middle. Take your tuna and just stick it right in there. Hold it in. You'll take one hand like this, put the ball right here, and then you'll take another hand and do like a little cone shape with your hand. And then you'll just press. And we're gonna put it on like a little diaper, like so. Then it should look like this. There are many designs for making rice balls, and it's all up to you.